Hi everyone, I'm Paul and I tell you everything you need to know about the artisanplus planning and inventory solution for coffee roasters. Today we're looking into how to create and use reports. Reporting is an important part of your coffee roasting business. So let's see what artisanplus can do for you. In our familiar Store tab, we have a good overview of our storage locations and of what beans and how much of them we have there. But a more powerful view can be found under Reports. We have reports on roasts, transactions, and those specifically for customs formalities. Right now, we focus on stocks reporting. This gives us, for today, a table with all our beans and their current stock. Initially, this is sorted according to the stock amount, but we can change this, for example, sorted by beans. Depending on what you're interested in at the moment, it might make sense to see all the stock of specific beans at once. We can click on Per Beans, and the entries are grouped together. We can see that we have most of our Indian beans in storage and only 6 kilograms left at the roastery. Similarly, this can be switched to a per store view, where you can quickly see all the beans that are currently stocked in each warehouse or location. If we want to see only the organic coffees, we can easily do so by clicking on the leaf icon. If it's green, we see only organic entries, while when we switch it to red, we see only the non-organic ones. Particularly interesting in this reporting section is that you can specify a certain date for which you want to check the stock. The month drop-down is a quick way to jump to get a look at your inventory at the end of each month. If you get past the current month of May, you jump back to last year. This means that you can quickly check the inventory of the past 12 months. To more easily compare your stocked beans from different periods, you can click here to also include beans that you have defined right now but didn't have any stock at the chosen time. If you want to exclude specific beans, it is easiest to filter out hidden beans. I show you how to do this in another video, but it is easy to do in the Beans tab. Of course, you can export the data into various formats for you to further process. Keep in mind that in your profile there are some settings with which you can adjust the data format. I showed that already in another video. We can also generate a PDF version of the table. Let's save it here and have a look. It includes the date of the snapshot and all the beans with their amounts, cost and location. Going back, we of course have direct links to each coffee and storage location. But we can also click on the amount, which brings up a dialog with which we can correct our stock. If we have to correct our stock, it might indicate that maybe we forgot to enter a purchase or transfer. But there might be other reasons such as weight loss or we had to discard some green beans. To document this, we need to enter a reason here before we can close the dialog. Here we can enter the correct amount. Sometimes it's easier to know the difference. For example, if we somehow lost 60 kilogram, we can enter it in this way. Don't forget to specify the date here, because obviously any changes will only affect the time after the change. Finally, we might be interested where the given price per kilogram of our 538 kilogram coupon deluxe comes from. We can click on the price tag and it shows us that 500 kilogram stem from the latest purchase, while we still have 38 kilogram from the previous purchase. The total price is then calculated using the price information of each purchase respectively. So much to this type of report, but there is so much more we can do on the platform. Stay tuned and look forward to the next videos where I will talk about other types of reports and diagrams and a lot of the other great features of Artisan Plus.